Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Before I start, I want to ask you guys to please like the video and subscribe to our channel because it really helps us out. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the SIM not supported message on your iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XR, and how to instantly unlock your iPhone using the TechMajesty SIM in 3 easy steps. This method will also work on all other iPhone models as well. The TechMajesty SIM will unlock your phone regardless of which carrier it's locked to. It supports unlocking for all carriers around the world, such as Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, Xfinity Mobile, Boost Mobile, Virgin Mobile, Cricket, Straight Talk, etc. The TechMajesty SIM will unlock your phone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, blacklist status, contracts, etc. With this solution, you can instantly use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. All you need in order to unlock the phone is the TechMajesty SIM and your new carrier SIM card. So let's begin. First thing you will need is the TechMajesty SIM. I'll show you now where you can get it. So let's go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to TechMajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will place an order for the TechMajesty SIM. Over here, simply choose your iPhone model, and then after you choose that, go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button to go through the checkout process to complete your order. Shipping is free, and we ship out the same day you place your order. You will receive the TechMajesty SIM in the mail within 2 to 3 business days after we ship it. So now that we have the TechMajesty SIMs, I'm going to show you how to unlock each of these iPhones separately. Now the black TechMajesty SIM is for the iPhone XS and all other iPhones. The golden TechMajesty SIM, as you see there, is specifically designed and made for the iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR because of the upside down SIM card slots these phones have. So let's go ahead and start first with unlocking the iPhone XS. So I have an AT&T locked iPhone XS and I would like to use T-Mobile on it. Here you can see AT&T is working on the phone. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert my T-Mobile SIM card to show you guys that this phone is locked to AT&T. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. So here is the SIM not supported message, which shows that this phone is locked. Now I'll show you how the TechMajesty SIM will instantly unlock this iPhone. The first step is to insert the TechMajesty SIM into your SIM tray with your carrier SIM card. So basically how this goes into the SIM tray is you just go ahead and slide it right in there, and it sits in there like that. Then you're going to go ahead and get your new carrier SIM card and place it right on top. Then in the second step, you will go ahead and insert the SIM tray back into the iPhone. You will then have to connect to either your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular data connection. I already have Wi-Fi connected, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. Now in the third step, the phone will automatically connect to your new carrier, T-Mobile in my case. As you can see, T-Mobile is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, now let me go ahead and move on to the next phone. So next up we have the iPhone XS Max locked to AT&T. As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, and I would like to use T-Mobile on this phone. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert my T-Mobile SIM card into this phone to show you guys that this phone is locked. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. And here we have the SIM not valid message, which basically means the same thing, that this phone is locked to AT&T. Now I'm going to show you guys how to instantly unlock this phone using the TechMajesty SIM. So the first step would be to go ahead and insert the TechMajesty SIM along with your carrier SIM card in the SIM tray. Okay, so as you can see that this TechMajesty SIM is designed a little bit differently than the iPhone XS TechMajesty SIM, which is the black one. So basically for this one, you would first need to go ahead and find the blank piece of the TechMajesty SIM and put this blank piece in the SIM tray. Just like that. Now once the blank piece is in the SIM tray, then you will go ahead and get your carrier SIM card, flip it upside down to the golden part, then place it right on top of the blank piece of the TechMajesty SIM. Just like that. Then you will go ahead and bend the other piece of the TechMajesty SIM, as I just did, over the carrier SIM card. So basically it will go ahead and look like this in the end. You will then go ahead and insert the SIM tray back into the iPhone. You will then have to connect to your cellular data connection or your Wi-Fi connection, and I already have Wi-Fi connected, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And in just a second, the new carrier, which is T-Mobile in my case, will start working on the phone. As you can see, T-Mobile is now working on this phone, so the unlock worked perfectly. Okay guys, so next up is the iPhone XR. Alright, so the last phone we have is the iPhone XR locked to AT&T. As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert my T-Mobile SIM card into the phone to show you guys that this phone is locked. Here's the T-Mobile SIM card. So here's the SIM not supported message, which basically means that this phone is locked to AT&T. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to instantly unlock the phone using the TechMajesty SIM. So again, first step is go ahead and insert the TechMajesty SIM along with your carrier SIM card in the SIM tray. So this is the same type of SIM tray as the iPhone XS Max. So we're going to go ahead and get the blank piece of the TechMajesty SIM and place it right into the SIM tray, just like that. It fits in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my carrier SIM card, just T-Mobile in this case, flip it upside down to the golden part, place it right on top of the TechMajesty SIM. Then I'm going to go ahead and bend the other part of the TechMajesty SIM over the carrier SIM card. Then I'm going to go ahead and insert the SIM tray back into the iPhone. Again, you will have to go ahead and connect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. I already have Wi-Fi connected, so I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And in just a few seconds, you will see that T-Mobile is working on this iPhone. As you can see, T-Mobile is listed at the top left-hand corner of the screen, so that means the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to instantly unlock your iPhone using the TechMajesty SIM and to start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.